Today's tech tip is about the AN94 badges, also known as the Vapor-Trak. There are two of them in the package that are identical. One will be used for a 15-minute exposure time, which is worn on you as you're unloading the sterilizer, and the other one is 8-hour, which is to be left in the room. Now, these are recommended to be used after your installation and then again yearly for quality control. So the purpose of these badges are to ensure that your sterilizer is ventilating appropriately. So for the 15-minute badge, I would wear this kind of on my lapel. I would take my time unloading the sterilizer after the cycle is complete, maybe take my time like sorting out the packs that were in there. For the 8-hour, you can hang it near the workspace within your sterilizer, but be aware of cross-contamination. So any chemicals like bleach or parvosol or kenosol rescue, all those things can contribute to cross-contamination. So make sure that there's no other chemicals in use during that time. These badges are then sent out in a pre-posted package. You'll get your results in 2 days. That's it for today. Contact your rep if you have any questions.